Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today we will finish our scene with the coffee in the cup. So let's get started. So to add the coffee in the cup we will add a fluid physics to the cup. For that we will add a sphere and a cube, scale the sphere down and put it above the cup and scale the cube up to cover both the sphere and the cup. Now select the cup and go to edit mode. Here select all the inside faces of the cup and separate them. Then scale them outward 4 times by pressing Alt-S. This will prevent the fluid from flowing through the cup when we add the fluid physics. Go to Object Properties and select Wireframe in the Display section. To add fluid physics to the cup, go to Physics tab and add on the sphere. Here in Physics tab press on Fluid and select the type to fluid, then select the sphere as inflow. Now select both the cups and select them effectors in the Physics tab in Fluid Physics. Now select the cube and select it as domain in the fluid physics. Keep the resolution as 64 or higher depending on your PC. The higher the better. Turn on the mesh option below and select all in the cache, then bake it and we have our fluid. Then hide the sphere. Now select the fluid and go to Shading tab, then give a dark red color to it. Keep the roughness down to make it coffee-like. Also bring down the Ichor to 1.3 and max the transparency. Now go to Render Settings and turn on the bloom, ambient occlusion, reflection and refraction. Also turn on the shadows as high pitch. At the bottom, make the textures high contrast and make it standard or filmic. Now go to Material Properties and turn on the reflection and translucency. Also select the alpha hash or alpha blend. This will make our coffee more realistic. Unhide the other objects by Alt-H. Now add a camera and set your scene by going to View and select Walk in the navigation option. Now add a plane as background and assign a dark gray color to it. For more realistic results, add a light probe and bake it in the render properties as indirect lighting. Now add lightings to the scene and then render it. So this is it for today. Hope you have enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Also make sure to subscribe to stay connected.